Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening YouTube and confirming the account shown at the top right. That ensures the right history. Once done, click Library then History, or enter the History page directly. On mobile, tap Library then the History tab. This initial step loads the watch history list and recent activity. Make sure your network is stable so the page fully syncs. You'll see videos listed by most recent first, which sets you up for filtering or management in the next step. Once your history appears, use the search box on the history page to find a specific video by title or channel. This speeds up locating items. Then apply built-in filters or scroll to the date range you need. You can remove specific entries by clicking the three dots next to an item and choosing Remove or Clear Entire Watch History in Settings. Also, pause watch history if you don't want future views recorded. This prevents further entries until you unpause it. To finish, review YouTube history controls under Manage All Activity to see cross-device records and timeline details. If history entries aren't showing, sign out and back in, or clear the app cache and force restart the app. Make sure you're on the same Google account across devices. Additionally, confirm that YouTube watch history is enabled in your Google activity controls. If problems persist, update the app or try the desktop browser. That usually resolves sync or display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.